Hey guys, it's me. I'm sick today. I took a COVID test. So I'm gonna take a cough drop. This is the cough drop challenge. I've been sneezing and have a runny nose. I have COVID. Lost of taste, stuffy nose. That's what my brother and sister had.
From the Dunder Mifflin Paper Company. Oh, that's great because I need paper. Excellent, then you are in luck.
Ready?
We are having a limited time offer only on everything. Oh, this is my lucky day. What is your name, sir? I am Bill Buttlicker. Really,
It's cough drop challenge.
How dare you? My family built this country, by the way. Be respectful, Mike. Please. Yes, Michael.
Friday, I woke up with sore throat. I did not have some tea. I had a popsicle and Jello. After we bought a coffee and a bagel from Dunkin' Donuts.
I'm sorry, Mr. Buttlicker. As I was saying, we're having a limited... It's a little bit louder. I'm hard of hearing. I'm sorry if he's an old man. Okay.
I like Dunkin' Donuts. I would always get the medium coffee with French vanilla cream. You can see how my voice is all weird because I'm all congested.
Now you listen to me, sir.
The
three words I would describe you as is aggressive, hostile, and definitely difficult. Please, Mr. Buttlicker.
I have a sinus thing going around. It's all in my eyes and my nose.
Hello, this is Michael Scott, regional manager.
So my mom's going to call the pediatrician tomorrow and see what they can do.
Michael, I like the sound of your voice. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna buy $1 million worth of
I think I'm gonna go to the pediatrician tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Tomorrow, my mom is going to take me to the pediatrician.
There is one condition, Michael. Yes. You have to fire the salesman that treated me so terribly. Don't do it, Michael.
To see if I'm alright with my COVID test.
The Shangri-La tent. It's 2 stories, heated, and...
I can't smell anything.
My bridal suite. It's just really simple, really tasteful.
I don't want to be married in a tent like a hobo.
Hobos live in trains.
I tested positive for COVID.
Well,
I already have COVID.
okay, look.
I have to stay 6 feet with my mom, dad, Honor at Jurgen. They already have it, the twins. My mom already called the pediatrician.
But only if it's in a field. A hand-plowed field.
Done and dunner.
There has to be a barn that's old enough that you can see the stars through the roof slats when you lay on your back. And antique tools to look at when you roll over.
Do you have a specific place in mind?
But anything within a 5 to 8 mile radius is acceptable.
On it. Dwight. Dwight. Get in. Are you serious? Get in.
Hey, Mr. Mark. Right now, I'm watching The Office.
They might be listening to us. Who's they? Customer service might be monitoring this conversation. In this car. You never know. Better safe than sorry. Hey, what are you thinking? Who stands to benefit from our downfall?
This is The Office, Mr. Mark and Miss Christine and Mr. Jim. I know you all love The Office.
How many shoes do you need? I don't know. 2, maybe 3 if one wears out. How many shoes do you need from the clerk in here?
Dunder Mifflin is Miss Christine's favorite word. Miss Christine, my gym teacher. I used to get her sick all the time when I was breathing on her. But she was my one-to-one.
Yes! I found it. I found the perfect place. A local bank.
It happened. Small problem. Before she had Silas, before she had Scarlett.
It's Dwight Schrute.
I think all done. I'll have the cough soon.
Wait, shut up.